In this video, we'll show how to manage whole home power backup using PointGuard's battery system, known for its flexible design. The system includes two key components. Battery tower combines the battery, inverter, and DC EV charger. Loadhub, a compact unit with a transfer switch, panel board, and inverter management. Loadhub overview. 200 amp connections for both the grid and backup loads. 5 smart load ports with 80 amp capacity each, used for critical loads or inverters. 80 amp generator port. 2 inverter ports with 60 amp each for scalable setups. A built-in transfer switch ensures seamless grid-to-battery transitions. Installation method 1. Connect the load hub between the meter and the main panel. The main panel becomes the backup panel. The solar power will be stored in a battery, or the loads will be directly supplied through the inverter and the load hub. Since each inverter port is rated at 60 amp, supporting up to 48 amp after accounting for a 20% contingency, what happens if your load demand exceeds this limit? Option 1. Connect the largest load, for instance, an AC unit, directly to one of the 80 amp smart load positions. Smart loads can be configured via the app to disconnect automatically during outages. Option 2. Add more inverters and batteries. The load hub supports 2 inverters by default, but allows for expansion. By connecting additional inverters via the smart load positions, you can scale up to 7 inverters in parallel, each providing 11 kilowatts continuous power. Installation method 2. Replacing the main panel. For smaller homes, the smart load ports support up to 5 large loads working at 240 volts, or 10 small loads working at 120 volts. With duplex breakers, you can connect up to 20 smaller loads, which is enough for small buildings such as cottages.